Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, we're going for a drive in the 2025 Acura Integra A-Spec Tech with CVT. With this vehicle, you can either get the CVT or a 6-speed manual transmission, as you have been able to since it came out in 2023. Interior is everything's pretty much the same. It's just a new model year. Nice car. You have a full digital gauge cluster, of course. Of course, you can get that in the base model too, which is cool. But the A-Spec Tech, you get the bigger screen, which is touchscreen, and you have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity in this vehicle. If you get the A-Spec, you will not get that compatibility. You have to plug it in, or on the base model, and the screen's smaller in the base model than the A-Spec. Very easy to use system. Super convenient. There's really nothing complicated about it. Anyone can use that pretty easily. You have a wireless charging tray down there, which I like. Here's your backup camera. Very nice resolution. You can see everything you want to very easily. Dynamic mode. You have sport, normal, comfort. You also have blind spot alert. You have all the Acura Watch safety features. The A-Spec Tech gives you the ELS Studio 3D 16-speaker sound system, which is quite fantastic, especially for a car of this size. So it's a really nice system. You have memory seats, and you also get remote start with this vehicle on the A-Spec Tech. You have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. You have the micro suede inserts on the A-Spec Tech. This vehicle has an MSRP of $38,595. Lunar Silver Metallic is the finish of the color on this car. Here's your rear seats. You have USB-C charging ports back there. Here's your rear trunk space. You have the A-Spec rear cargo mat, quite nice. Those are splash guards from Acura. That's an accessory. Wheel locks as well. A lot of cargo space in this vehicle and great for utility. And this vehicle gets a combined 32 miles per gallon, which is quite nice. But let's go for that drive. You have full LED headlights and taillights. The Integra is very popular. It's been a very hot seller these last two or 3 years because of the value. You get a great value for the price you're paying. I mean, you have a head-up display too. I forgot to mention that in the A-Spec Tech. For a car around this price point, getting a head-up display, 16-speaker sound system, remote start, and all these nice features is really good. And it's a good-looking car too. Car's pretty quick, and even though it's a CVT, the transmission is pretty engaging, and the shift paddles actually feel more responsive than, because it mimics gear shifts. It feels more responsive than other CVTs from other brands. Acura and Honda CVTs are quite good compared to others, in my opinion. I like the steering wheel. It's a nice leather steering wheel. The materials are pretty good in here. Seats are quite comfortable. You have lumbar adjustment as well. You have heated seats too. No ventilated. And you also have Acura Link subscription for 3 years with a new Acura vehicle and 2 years of complimentary maintenance from Acura. You have the dynamic mode, sport mode, or you can put the transmission in sport mode too if you want to do that. But yeah, very smooth ride, very comfortable car. And as I was saying, the utility is great. Consumers love the hatchback. You can fit so much stuff back there. It's surprising how much that trunk can fit. And you can fold down the seats if you want to move big items. It's pretty impressive for a small car like this, compact vehicle, to fit all that stuff and to have that kind of cargo space. I mean, it's no wonder that these have been a very hot seller. Great car. And yeah, I mean, it honestly doesn't really feel like a CVT. It's a pretty responsive CVT. I like that. It's pretty good. I like the 6-speed manual. It's super fun. The Integra Type S is an awesome car. I've driven the Integra Type S very extensively. I think it's an amazing car. Very fun to drive. Nice car. I mean, if you're thinking about, this is a great entry-level luxury vehicle, you know? That's what the Integra is. It's a entry-level luxury vehicle for a young buyer or of any age, but this vehicle's leaning more towards the young demographic. A lot of, you know, graduates from college or younger people to enter the luxury vehicle segment with this car. And I think it does a great job of catering to that demographic. Yeah, overall, it's a great daily driving vehicle. Like, I have no complaints at all. It's a great car for daily driving. It does everything you need, you know? Comfortable ride, good looking car, nice interior, great technology for the price point, amazing speaker system. What more could you want, you know? And you have the reliability of Honda/Acura. Handles pretty well around the corner. I'm gonna try to, the 6-speed ones are not that common, but I'll try to get a video on a 6-speed as well and give my impressions on that. But this is the more common one, obviously, the automatic, which is what probably 90% of the buyers get, 95% honestly. But the Integra Type S, however, only comes with a 6-speed manual. You cannot get an automatic on that vehicle. That is a true enthusiast vehicle, which I love. The steering is pretty heavy in sport mode. It's nice. And also, to go on to that daily driving thing, you get great fuel economy. What does this car, what more could you want, right? It's fantastic. But anyways, thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next one.